Keeping your home spotless can feel overwhelming, especially with busy schedules. Robot vacuums offer a hands-free solution, tackling dust and debris effortlessly. But with so many options in the market, choosing the right one is crucial for efficiency and reliability. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the top 5 best robot vacuum of 2025. We'll start with my 5th choice and work our way up to the number 1. And don't forget to check out the links in the description for more details on each product, and be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future reviews. Number 5, we have the Shark AV2501 SAI Ultra Robot Vacuum. The robot vacuum combines advanced cleaning technology with impressive convenience. Its matrix clean navigation ensures no dirt is left behind by making multiple passes over every spot, delivering deep cleaning on all floor types. With powerful suction and a self-cleaning brush roll, it's perfect for homes with pets, effortlessly tackling hair, dander, and debris. The 30-day capacity bagless self-emptying base adds hands-free convenience, while the HEPA filtration system captures 99.97% of dust and allergens. Precision Home Mapping uses 360-degree LiDAR to navigate your home efficiently, even in the dark, adapting to changes in real time. Plus, its quiet operation and voice control through Alexa or Google Assistant make it a user-friendly option. Ideal for pet owners and busy households, this robot vacuum redefines effortless home cleaning. Number 4, we have the Roborock Qrevo Master Robot Vacuum. The robot vacuum home cleaning with its advanced features and intelligent design. Its FlexiArm technology extends the mop into corners and edges, achieving an impressive 98.8% coverage for spotless cleaning. With 7,000 Pascal hyperforce suction, it tackles everything from stubborn dirt on carpets to fine dust on hardwood floors, making it ideal for pet-friendly and high-traffic homes. The hot water mop washing system heats to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, sanitizing surfaces and ensuring a clean mop every time, while warm air drying eliminates manual intervention. Reactive tech obstacle avoidance and smart mapping allow seamless navigation, even in complex spaces, avoiding furniture and clutter effortlessly. Hands-free features like auto tank refilling, dust emptying, and 10mm mop lifting make cleaning a breeze. Perfect for busy households, this robot vacuum saves time while delivering sparkling results. Number 3, we have the iRobot Roomba J7 Robot Vacuum. The iRobot robot vacuum combines smart navigation, powerful suction, and convenience for hassle-free cleaning. Equipped with precision vision navigation, it identifies and avoids obstacles like pet waste, cords, and socks, ensuring thorough cleaning without mishaps. The 10x power-lifting suction and dual multi-surface rubber brushes effectively remove dirt, debris, and pet hair from all floor types, while Dirt Detect targets heavily soiled areas for extra attention. Its self-emptying clean base keeps dust contained for up to 60 days, making maintenance effortless. The Imprint Smart Mapping feature lets you customize cleaning schedules by room and time, adapting seamlessly to your lifestyle. With Smart Recharge and Resume, it recharges just enough to complete its tasks, ensuring uninterrupted cleaning. Ideal for pet owners and busy households, this robot vacuum delivers a smarter, cleaner home with minimal effort. Number 2, we have the Eufy C20 Pro Omni Robot Vacuum. The Eufy takes hands-free cleaning to the next level with its innovative all-in-one station and powerful suction. Featuring auto-emptying, mop washing, and drying, it eliminates the hassle of daily maintenance. Its ultra-slim 3.35-inch design glides under furniture, cleaning hard-to-reach spots effortlessly. With 7,000 PA suction and mop master technology, it tackles stubborn stains and pet hair while simultaneously sweeping and mopping. The Pro Detangle Comb ensures smooth operation by removing tangled hair from the brush automatically. Transparent water tanks allow easy monitoring, and its quiet operation ensures it blends seamlessly into your routine. Perfect for pet owners or those with busy schedules, the Eufy Omni C20 delivers exceptional cleaning efficiency and convenience, making it an ideal choice for a spotless home. Number 1, we have the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra Robot Vacuum. The Roborock S8 Max V Ultra redefines robotic cleaning with unparalleled power and advanced features. Its 10,000 PA suction power, dual roller design, and VibraRise 3.0 sonic mopping system deliver flawless cleaning, tackling even the toughest messes on carpets and hard floors. The intelligent all-in-one dock handles automatic emptying, mop washing, drying, and detergent dispensing, minimizing maintenance for a hands-free experience. Reactive AI 2.0 and PreciSense LiDAR navigation enable precise mapping and obstacle avoidance, ensuring seamless cleaning in complex spaces. The S8 Max V Ultra excels at corner-to-edge cleaning with its FlexiArm design, reaching hidden dirt with 185 RPM precision. Pet-friendly features like video call and pet snaps add a unique touch, while the Hello Rocky voice assistant offers effortless control. Ideal for pet owners, tech enthusiasts, and busy households, this robot vacuum and mop delivers a spotless home with unmatched convenience. Robot vacuums bring convenience, efficiency, and advanced technology to home cleaning. From powerful suction and smart mapping to hands-free maintenance, these devices transform how we tackle everyday messes. Whether you're dealing with pet hair, tough stains, or simply want more free time, these top picks offer outstanding performance for spotless floors. Choosing the right robot vacuum ensures your home stays cleaner with minimal effort, making it a must-have for busy households and pet owners alike. Let me know in the comments which robot vacuum is your favorite. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and tips. Thank you for watching.